What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got some bad news. I didn't want to put this video out, but I kind of have to. My Fatshark's kind of failed on me, so I need to do this so I can get my replacements in. That's why it's good to buy from Race Day Quads and Fatshark, because they actually back it up. So if you do have an issue like now I'm having, at least you can get a replacement. So what the issue is with mine is when I snug down my antenna, and I'm not like hulking down my antenna or anything, I'm just like, barely doing it, or if it's like, I don't know, I have to wiggle it back loose and stuff. It's only on the module side, and it seems to just black out completely on me. And blacking out is not good when you're flying a drone, so very unsafe. I wouldn't recommend it. So that's why I gotta address this and really get it handled and get a replacement in, because I can't be flying with something that's going to black out on me. I've got too much money into my quads and stuff. So sorry I had to make this video. I'll have a flying edit coming up soon, but this is for Race Day Quads. I'm going to get my GoPro in here and show you guys what the issue is. Alright, so here we are in the goggles with the GoPro, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten down the antenna now. So it's not tight yet, it's barely tight. Alright, it's tight. I'll loosen it. Oh, barely loosening it. There it goes. Now it's doing that. So this will happen when something's on too, it doesn't matter. The video will go completely black. The screen completely cuts out. It's like the module is loose, because this is on the module side when I tighten down the antenna. So yeah, the good thing I bought from Race Day Quads and got Fatsharks, because they back it up and they're already starting to work on a replacement for me. I just need to show them what's going on here. So yeah, you see the issue. It's barely tightening it down. And this will happen randomly. Sometimes it'll just, the goggles won't even work for a while. I'll have to fidget with them. And personally, I'd rather have goggles that work completely. I do love these goggles, the clarity on them. I do like the size of the screen. I like the colors and everything. It's good, but that little issue right there is just scary. And it's not like I hit the AV switch or anything. The switch is completely to the right side. This is just me messing with the antenna. So yeah. That's pretty much the end of this video. You guys have a good one. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you. I will keep you guys updated on the next pair. I'm sure the bugs will be sorted out. I got the first batch, so that's just kind of how it goes sometimes when you're jumpy. So, all right, you guys have a good one. Thank you all for supporting the channel, and have a good one. Happy flying. Goodbye.